Receptionist. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Dental Clinic. How can I help you today? Patient. Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. James at 10 o'clock. Receptionist. May I have your name, please? Patient. Yes, my name is Ahmed Hassan. Receptionist. Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Dentist. Hello, Mr. Ahmed. I'm Dr. James. Nice to meet you. What seems to be the problem? Patient. Nice to meet you too, doctor. I have pain in my back tooth. Dentist. I see. How long have you had the pain? Patient. For about 3 days now. Dentist. Okay. Let me take a look. Please open your mouth. After checking, dentist. It looks like you have a cavity. We need to clean it and fill it. Patient. Will it hurt? Dentist. Don't worry. I will give you a small injection to numb the area. You won't feel pain. Patient. Okay, thank you, doctor.